Hi, I'm Sean Hawk with Sean Hawk Magic. Today we're going to be doing a quick little Soulmates trick for the Featuring You contest on Card Mechanics channel. So shout out to Card Mechanic and thank you for the opportunity to be on your channel. So we'll go ahead and get into the trick right now. Okay, for this trick we'll be using 5 red cards, 10 through Ace of Hearts, and 5 black cards, 10 through Ace of Spades. Alright, we'll go ahead and take the black cards, put them right on top of the red cards, and we can hand them to the spectator, and they can go ahead and mix them up as much as they want by just taking as many cards as they want off the top. Okay, or they can take cards from the bottom. They can just mix it up as much as they want until they feel that it's thoroughly mixed and the cards are mixed up well. And we can go ahead and cut it, and then what we'll do is we'll deal down 5 cards, put the other 5 here, and we can go ahead and tell the spectator they can take the top card and put it to the bottom 4 times, and they can do that in either pile. They can do all 4 in one pile. They can put the top to the bottom 3 in 1, 2 in 2. So let's say, and this is completely up to them however they want to do it. So let's say they want to do 3 in one pile and 1 on the other. So that's 4. We'll take those 2 cards and set them aside. Now they can put the top to the bottom 3 times, anywhere they want. So maybe they want to do 2 in this pile and 1 over here. We'll take those 2. Now they can put the top to the bottom 2 times. Maybe they want to do both of them in one pile. Take those 2, set them aside. Now they can put the top to the bottom 1 time in either pile. So let's say they do this one. And we'll take those 2, set them aside, and the last 2 we got here. So this was completely up to the spectator, completely random, free choice. Somehow, after all of that mixing, every pair comes together like soulmates. Hope you enjoyed that, and thank you so much.